Hi everyone. So in this example, I'm going to explain how method takes interface as input. Interface. Of course, in the last video, I explained clearly how method takes class. As we know that working with interface means what? Just working with its implemented class. When a method is expecting interface means it is expecting the object of one of its implementations. Some class definitely implements interface. So you have to pass that class object as input. See, suppose here I'm taking one class, the main test, one interface I'm taking. Everything I'm writing here, I don't want to make it public because I don't want to separate different files. Just a Lenovo and followed by it has some functionality, abstract method, taking the class, any class, suppose laptop, which is implementing the interface Lenovo. So it has to override the functionality of that Lenovo. Any message, just simply Lenovo functionality. That's it. Now the concept is take the method class, class. Suppose a class name I'm taking access. There is a method we are defining set Lenovo. Suppose simply it is taking Lenovo object as input. Which object? Lenovo object as input. Normally, if it is taking integer x, just consider when you are calling this method, what is the method name? Set Lenovo. Is a static or instance? Static. So we access using the class name access dot set Lenovo. We just pass integer. That's all. Then you can do any operation. That value 10 will go and store into that x value will go and store into that x inside the method. You are working with that value is a x. But now in this case, we are passing the value instead of integer, we are passing the Lenovo object. So here instead of passing the 10, you need to pass the object of Lenovo. But can you create object for Lenovo directly? No, it's an interface. So you need to create object for laptop and pass. Simply how we say create the object of laptop giving the reference of Lenovo. You know that upcasting concept. Passing that value is obj. Then this obj will go and store into this one. Using that obj, you can access the functionality of that laptop that is called fun. See here, it is showing the methods which are available clearly. Here fun method we call. When you run the code, that output will come. Lenovo functionality. Sir, why here I'm writing the complete one? I don't want to write separately. Directly, don't create object for Lenovo. It's an interface. You cannot create object. You have to create object for the implemented class. That's it. So this is the method which is taking interface as an input. Whenever you are calling, we are passing the implemented class object as input. That's all. When you run the code, you will get the same output of this code. Hope you understood. This is how we need to code. Please practice this code. All these codes are very important to understand Spring. Thank you.